case someone is listening our private telephonic conversation. So, what we are supposed to do? To whom we should approach? Is there any remedy to prevent ourselves from this phone tapping? Hey everyone, I am Parushi Sharma. Currently, I am working as an intern with Lexis and Company, and today I will talk about the topic phone tapping. So, phone tapping is also known as line bugging and wiretapping. The concept of phone tapping was introduced from USA from in 1819 when the tape recorder was invented. So simply, phone tapping means intercepting someone's personal conversation which is going on a telephone. So what do you mean by intercepting? So intercepting means unauthorizingly listening and recording someone's telephonic private conversation is known as intercepting. So in today's scenario, as technology is increasing day by day and it's developing, so due to this development, we need some protection which will protect our privacy. So the tapping harm our privacy and it can cause injury to a private information. That's why it is necessary to know about that what we are supposed to do in case of phone tapping. So let's discuss about the phone tapping laws in India. Phone tapping by unauthorized or illegal way violates our very intrinsic fundamental right, which is right to privacy. Yes, phone tapping is also comes under privacy. Right to privacy is comes under article number 21 of Indian Constitution, and article number 21 of Indian Constitution talks about right to life and to live our life with smooth and our life with smoothly. We need privacy, and phone tapping is violating our privacy. So, this article number 21 says that no one can interfere anyone's privacy, family, home, correspondence, and cannot attack anyone's honor and reputations. And everyone has the right to protect the ourselves from this interference and attacks. So, the right to privacy is an element of various legal traditions to restrain government and private actions that threaten the privacy of individual. In modern India, the issue of right of privacy was discussed for very first time in the debate of Constituent Assembly. But it was not included in the Constitution of India. The issue of the right to privacy as a fundamental right under the Constitution and as a common law right has been dealt with since 1960. Telephone tapping constitute a great invasion on right to privacy. This telephone tapping is governed by Indian Telegraph Act section 5 subsection 2, which says that any state or central government can tap any phone private conversation only in the case of public interest and emergency, but only after taking permission from designated authority. So telephone and other communication devices are mentioned in Constitution entry 31 of Union List. So, what is a remedy to it? What should we do when someone is tapping our phone? So, an aggrieved person whose phone is tapping can approach court or file complaint in a Human Rights Commission if his phone is illegally tapped. So, let's know some important cases related to phone tapping. So, first very famous case of this phone tapping is Chandrasekhar phone tapping charges. So, it was very controversial case of 1990. Chandrasekhar was the former prime minister who served as a prime minister from 1990 to 1991. He put allegations on government that government is tapping his and 27 others politicians' phone without any proper authorization, and government was unable to state the reason behind this tapping. Later and CBI or investigation was conducted, and it was proved that the government was tapping their phone without proper reason, and PUCL filed and public interest litigation in Supreme Court. So what is this PUCL? PUCL means a Pupil Union of Civil Liberties, and it is a human right body which was established in 1976 by Jayaprakash Narayan. And another case related to phone tapping was PUCL versus Union of India 1996. So in this case, it was concluded that the telephone tapping is violation of right to privacy, and this also provide safeguard against states' arbitrary surveillance power. Telephone tapping was declared as illegal in this case. So as technology is developing day by day, it has become more important to protect our privacy adequately. Our lives are excessively exposed to social media, which somehow put our privacy to risk and in certain aspects. That's why right to privacy is very important to us, and it become fundamental right due to its importance in human life. Thank you.